Samsung's powerful Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone's dummy unit review and specifications. The recent Galaxy S24 leaks have revealed Samsung is making some significant changes to its flagship smartphones. But new information backs up fears that the company will bring back one of its most divisive changes to the Galaxy S family. Several leaks have revealed that Samsung will be offering a mix of Snapdragon and Exynos chipsets across the range. With the Exynos chipset seen as less efficient while offering less power, many of Samsung's fans will have little choice but to buy a handset running the lesser system on chip. Unlike previous years, the current Galaxy S23 family are exclusively running Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This choice was widely welcomed by a community used to the previous split portfolio, an issue exacerbated as each region had an exclusive choice, so there was no option to pay more for the preferred silicon. With the launch of the Exynos 2400 last month, Samsung was widely expected to use its own silicon in some of the Galaxy S24 hardware. That approach has been tacitly confirmed by Qualcomm. During Qualcomm's earnings call, CEO Cristiano Amon reported that the company would take a majority market share in the Galaxy S24 equipment. Given that 2023's Galaxy S23 handed Qualcomm a 100% share, it's clear that Samsung will again split its handsets between the silicon. There is good news for those looking for ultimate power. The top-of-the-line Galaxy S24 Ultra will only be available with Qualcomm's latest chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Those in the community are buying for power. The top specifications can rest easy, knowing that the S24 Ultra will come with their desired chip. As for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, the community is waiting to see which of the two choice they will be offered. Several key features are returning to the Galaxy S4 Ultra, with Samsung recently certifying the S Pen stylus. The S24 family is also expected to be the first Samsung smartphones to ship with satellite communications as standard. Over the last few years, Samsung has launched its new Galaxy S handsets in the week before Mobile World Congress in February. 2024 may differ, with many discussions pointing to a mid-January release date for the latest flagships. Samsung will be using a frame case made out of titanium in its upcoming Galaxy S24 series, Dailek has learned. The Ultra model in the series will be the first to adopt the titanium material, and the company plans to expand the application depending on reception, sources said. Apple was the first to apply titanium in smartphones with its latest iPhone 15 Pro models, and the feature is heavily promoted in marketing. If Samsung joins the bandwagon, applying titanium frames in smartphones will likely become an industry-wide trend. The South Korean tech giant was at the late stages of securing the yield rate for the titanium frame cases, the sources said. Samsung was working with its multiple Chinese case suppliers as well as its staff at its assembly plant in Vietnam, they said. South Korean supplier KH